morning. Today's subject is going to be grammar. Did you have your book with you? Show me your books. Did you have your grammar book with you? This one.
Yes, miss. Yes, yes.
Okay. Turn to page number 15. 1-5. Page number 15. In your last class, I think Miss Mahmoud gave you homework, right? Miss Mahmoud had homework in last class.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, did you learn your homework?
Yes, yes.
Can I ask you your homework?
Yes, yes.
In time, in homework, Oh, before I ask you, let's read together one time. Okay. Look at your textbook, all of you. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Are you ready? Kan charwa lang, kan homework ka zo ma jewin, phải khat kan charwa lang. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Raj is very sick. He is in the hospital. Sound ka mute sule in sound ka on ru. Oh, sound mute lau tu kan charwa don tu na. Yes. Are you ready?
One page. Yes, miss. One page.
Page number 15. 1-5. Page number 15. 1-5. Suma. Stop presenting your screen. Yan suma ka screen ka present to sule. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, yes.
Number 1. 1, 2, 3. Raj is very sick.
Yes.
He is in the hospital. Spelling of hospital. Hospital. Do you know what is hospital? Oh, Damdoin. Raj. So, Adam Loba. He is very sick. He is in the hospital. All right. Number 2. There are many aeroplanes. There are many aeroplanes at the airport. Spelling of airport. A-I-R-P-O-R-T. Airport. Okay, airport kan siya emle airport ka? Oh, to na chunghun. Very good. Number 3. Oh, I go to school. Go to school in a yellow bus. Spelling of school. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Okay, number 4. I study in Okay, can you tell me the answer? Classroom. Spelling of classroom. 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 Number 5. I saw a giraffe in the 콩의 giraffe 칸 옴파 zoo or zoo. What is zoo in Izo? Swan. Number 6. Mommy cooks in the kitchen. Cooks in the spelling of kitchen. 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 Number 7. There are beautiful flowers. Repeat after me. There are beautiful flowers in the garden. Spelling of garden. 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 Number 8. We play in the playground during the recess. Spelling of playground. Playground spelling. PLAYGROUND. Playground. Number 9. Many people walk in the Can you tell me the answer? Number 9 answer ka? Yes, park. Spelling of park. Park. Number 10. I sleep in the bedroom. Spelling of bedroom. 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 Okay. Can I ask you your homework? Because what they taught in homework, huh? Yes or no? Okay, all of you close your eyes. Close your eyes. I am going to ask you your homework. Close your eyes. Close your arms. Don't cover your face. In my hụp su lê, một thể lâu treo in my hụp tròn. All of you close your eyes. You will say the answer with the spellings, okay? In answer, spelling then in soyang. Are you ready?
Yes.
I study in a what is the spelling of classroom? Okay, very good. Are you ready for the next question? Are you ready for the next question?
Yes.
Đâu ngay thời charu question ka. I saw a giraffe in the I saw a giraffe in the what is the zoo? Spelling of zoo. Infant cam next question. In ring Raj is very sick. He is in the Yeah, his spelling of hospital. Say it together. Say it together. Aralin siya. H-O-S. Oh, very good. Okay, close your eyes. Min lau tur ma, min lau tur. Close your eyes. Laming kanom chat. Laming kanom. Mommy cooks in the. What is kitchen? What is kitchen in Mizo? Kitchen kaingin ka? Oh, so spelling. Can you tell me the spelling of kitchen? Oh, okay, okay, very good. There are many aeroplanes at the. Oh, airport, airport. Spelling of airport. Airport spelling. I will ask you the last question. Alright. Tuna, alas naturatan hihit in tiambe karing. I sleep in the bedroom. Spelling of bedroom. Okay, very good, very good. Write down next one ka and ula in textbook ka kan. Write down the names of some more places ka in law TM le. Kami homework ka. There is 5 blanks, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blank ko matiro. Katakan names of some more places in textbook kamlaw ka. Inlaw siya ken inakan ni san siya turat itro. Okay, can you tell me your answer? Number 1 na ingin siya le. Number 1 na. Library. Okay, what is library? Library akan ingi ka. To isang Oh, le kabu. Na. And number 2, can you tell me your answer? Sitting room. Okay. What do you see in your sitting room? Sitting room akan ingi misu tayem. BLT ni BLT Oh, chair te. Oma. TV te. Ingin sekali le.
Restaurant. PlayStation.
Restaurant. Who write restaurant? Restaurant. Siaka tungi ka. Restaurant siaka. Oh, can you raise your hand? Tungi restaurant siaka.
PlayStation kaya.
PlayStation, no?
PlayStation.
Oh, restaurant is also a place, right? Very good. Can you tell me your number 4 answer?
Badu.
Bale?
Badu.
Oh, badu. Specific kanya yun ina tiam tu na. Turn to your next page. Next page ha roll them. Page number 16 ka ganti don tinang. Did you see the picture? Did you see the picture? Oh, my bedroom. Di kain huem. Did you see the picture of your bedroom? Okay, let's try to do fill in the blanks. Are you ready?
Yes,
No.
Yes, Miss.
In bedroom, Khan. In mule. Did you see a bed?
Look at this.
Khan.
Like this.
Oh, yes. There is a lamp. There is a curtain. There is a pillow, a table, and a chair, right? Okay, let's try to do the fill in the blanks. My bedroom. Thì Khanh của em nói à Khan? There is my bedroom below. Okay. This is my, what will be the answer? This is my, yes, bedroom. Bedroom. The spelling is on top. A spelling a blueprint kind of BEDROOM, bedroom. Did you see it? This is my bedroom. The wins tour. Oh, you don't need to start with big letter. You can write everything with small letter. Right. Capital letter is angay lawan. Raise up. Nghe dấu tổn ôm em. Okay, there is full stop after bedroom. Let's continue reading. It has a comfortable. What would be the answer? It has a comfortable bed. Yes, B-E-D, bed. Right, bed. B-E-D, bed. You will write everything with small letter. All right. Have you finished? Okay. It has a comfortable bed and a bright. Yes, lamp. What is the spelling of lamp? L-A-M-P, lamp. Oh, and you don't need to start with big letter. Write everything with small letter. L-A-M-P, lamp. Have you finished? Okay, let's try to do the next one. There is a dash on the bed. What is on the bed? There is a dash. Teddy bear and what? Teddy bear and what is lukam in English? Yes, pillow, right? Pillow. What is the spelling of pillow? P-I-L-L-O-W. Pillow. Spelling of from there and start with small letter. Vekinza tour. Oh. Why? Have you finished? Okay. There is a pillow on the bed. There is a dash on the bed also. Nghe ka? Pillow le nghe ka? Teddy bear. Yes, teddy bear. Do you know the spelling of teddy bear? T-E-D-D-Y B-E-A-R bear. Teddy bear. At sungakan ang spelling ng omveka
T-E
nalawin siya tour mong tangin.
D-D-Y
Teddy bear kain zoom law tour. Oh, Teddy in siya ko nga bear. If the Swiss and you will write bear. Alright.
D-Y
Have you finished?
Yes,
Okay. There is a teddy bear on the bed also. There are pretty dash on the window. What is on the window? Window akan ini ka. Window kan en sinte window akan ini inbu. Parda in zarem. Parda in zarro. Oh, parda ci English ini ka. Curtains. Yes. Spelling of curtains. C-U-R-T-A-I-N-S. Curtains. A spelling in shadow Swan at sungakan copy tura omzel. Oh, curtains. No need to write fast. Write slowly without mistake. And try to write it nicely. Write it nicely. No need to write fast. Okay. Zia. Oh. Have you finished? Yes or no? Some of your friends are still writing. Let's wait for your friends. Enchanted kan haglo kang alazya kau ka. Okay. Are you ready for the next one? Yes or no? Oh, unexpectedly. I dash with my dash in my bedroom. Again, Yang I play with my toys in my bedroom. Right? Play. I-P-L-A-Y. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Have you finished?
Yes.
I play with my toys. Spelling of toys is T-O-Y-S. Toys. T-O-Y-S. Toys. Insang nalim. Insang nangin nalaw ka in lefit doon na niya o. Insang nalim. Nalawin sa tour. Alright. Okay. The next one is I also dash here. Yan yang I also study. Yes, very good. Spelling of study is S-T-U-D-Y. Study. S-T-U-D-Y. Study. I also study here. S T U D Y study. Study. What is study? Can you tell me the meaning of study? Study ôm giờ mình sử thì em để study in cha em ô in study chị em để in study chị true. Okay, let's go to the next one. I read my dash in my bedroom. Em nghe nè. I read my em nghe in read chin. Books. Okay, very good. What is the spelling of books? B-O-O-K-S, books. All right, very good. Write down your answer. B-O-O-K-S, books. Have you finished? Oh, have you finished, all of you?
No.
Those who are still writing, you can continue. Imperfecto em. Oh, imperfecto English. True. Okay, the next one. I like to dash in my bedroom after school. What will be your answer? I like to rest. Yes, you used to rest in your bedroom, right? Write the answer. R-E-S-T. Rest. R-E-S-T. Rest. Kan sao chép to? Na lewin za tur man mo mi lewin. Have you finished, all of you? Okay, the last one. It is really a lovely dash. Do you want to see it? It is really a lovely room. R-O-O-M, room. Write down the answer. R-O-O-M, room. Okay, very good. This will be your homework. All right. Okay, pencils down. All of you, pencils down. Keep your pencils down. Listen to me carefully. Listen. My bedroom will be your homework. You will read this at least 5 times. All right. Yes. You will read this at least 5 times. And you will learn it with the spellings. Okay. My bedroom tika in the homework. Để ang voi aya tam voi aya claim lo.
Can we color this, please?
Yes, if you have time, you can color this. Kunin nei chuan hei hi in lo color moi to kin. Okay.
Please. Yes, please. Henry, Mami ka kay gawin na mo lupan beto na.
Hei hi in lo zira nga color to ka in lo color bok don ya. Oh. Okay, that's it for your class of today. And bye. See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yes. No. I